Hi, I'm Jane. I love to garden. I live up by the Wasatch Mountains in Utah on the east bench of Sandy. So today I'm going to talk about some of the flowers that have a really long vase life. So I'm pretty new to bouquets. This is only my second season growing them from my yard. I haven't even started selling them yet. I'm going to get brave and do that. But I want to know which flowers have a really good long vase life. Hi, welcome back. So I wanted to show you the vase life on some of these flowers. They've been sitting in my house for over a week. So look at those daisies. They almost dry perfect, don't they? And my rose is drying up. So let me turn the camera around and show you which ones still look good and which ones didn't last very long. So in this specific bouquet, I gotta stop and let the birds have their song. Oh, I love it. So some things dry really pretty, just fine. So these roses don't look too, they dried really pretty. But look at the daisies. They just last forever. Anybody else feel that way? Whoa, they're awesome. So we've got pink splash Weigela branch. That is looking awesome. The peony branches are not lasting very long. The coreopsis kind of didn't last. Look at our beautiful daisies. And this is like a spike. Let's just pull it out. So I think this is interesting. Hopefully it's interesting to you. So these almost look good enough to put in a different bouquet. And these spikes, they're done. The Weigela, this is not Weigela, the Spirea dried mostly. Roses. Anyway, that's interesting. Those daisies and the pink splash Weigela last and last. So as I'm learning to do more and more bouquets from my yard, it's fun to know the vase life on a flower and how long it's going to last. And of course you have to have tips like you got to cut it, often change out the water to fresh water. Those things are going to make your flowers last longer and be more fresh. But certain flowers like that daisy, they're going to last a long time in the vase. And also some flowers like straw flowers, they just dry in the vase. So those are some of your very longest lasting flowers. In the comment section, please tell me which flowers you have that last the longest so that I can grow them. See you later. Bye.